talking of the concept of possession, there are two kinds of classification. First, talking of the first classification of possession. No explanation is necessary to you. You possess some materials, like you're working. While you are working, usually 5 days a week, you'd like to receive your salary. You'd like to make money in order to enjoy your important life. That is all right. You receive your salary, then you make living. No one denies that. All the people do the same. As long as you wish to be here, civilized, you need money to do so. You buy something you wish to get. Then talking of materials, that is all right. You try to get those, then later on, some are gone. Then you lose some of utensils, materials, after using them for a long time. Those become pretty old. Then you have your day. You cannot use them. Conversely, there is the other concept. There is the other classification of possession. You are beings who received intellect. Every day, you are using your intellect to live well as human beings. Intellectually, you wish to get some knowledge. Through experiencing, learning experience, and substantial experience itself every day, every week, every month. And of course, year by year, you continue experiencing, learning, time again and again. You should be intellectual. You have more and more pieces of knowledge in your brain. You can imagine now, talking of brain trained intellectually, as long as you live here, you can keep your intellectual brain. You can keep any pieces of knowledge you get in your brain. Then you have yourself privilege to use all of them. To live is to study, fundamentally speaking. Therefore, I'd like you to continue experiencing, learning various matters. You are guided to be, disciplined to be, more intellectual through using intellect supernaturally given. As for you to be intellectually sharpened, you need to drive yourself into a corner. I'd like you to be standing upon the edge of a precipice. It is a way for you to be spiritually and intellectually sharpened. It is a sheer bliss for you to be standing upon the tap of a needle. I'm sure you do enjoy experiencing driving yourself into a corner as a being who is intellectual and rational. The lecture shall be finished now.